Hello, programming fans. Let's look at the differences between the various language interfaces of the programming language FMS Logo. During the installation of the FMS Logo programming language, we can select the desired interface language. If you choose to install the interface in English, you will see English commands. If you select another language, such as CROatian, you will see a menu translated into that language. Let's look at the differences. This is an English interface for the logo interpreter. We have the menu with file, new, load, open, save, save as, set as, screensaver, edit, erase, exit. Bitmap, new, load, save, save as, print, printer, setup, active area, set, pen size, label, font, commander, pen color, float color, screen color, zoom, in, out, normal, and help, index, tutorial, demo, examples, release notes about FMS Logo and about MS. Let's look at the differences that are visible in the Croat language interface of FMS Logo. Datoteka, nova, učitaj, otvori, spremi, spremi kao, postavi čuvar ekrana, uredi, obriši i izlaz. Bitmapa, nova, učitaj, spremi, spremi kao, ispiši, printer, setup i aktivno područje, namjesti, debljina, label, font, font naredbenog redka, boja pera, boja ispune, boja ekrana, zoom, povećaj, smanji, normal i pomoć, indeks, tutorial, demo, primjer, release notes. Evo vidimo da je ovdje, recimo, nije došlo do prijevoda, znači release notes, evo, o FMS logu i o multiploj sklerozi. The commander is also different. In it, we have a line for entering our logo commands. Hold, pause, step, execute, trace, status, reset, add all. Let us see what we have in the Croat version. Zaustavi, pauziraj, step, izvrši, trace, stanje, ispočetka, uredi, sve. We can activate the FMS logo help, and you will get all the commands you have in the FMS logo. As you can see, this is a version 7.7.0. Let us see how this is visible in the Croat version. Dakle, ako uključimo pomoć i indeks, dobit ćemo help sustav, gdje je nešto prevedeno, a nešto nije. Dakle, jedan dio nije preveden, a drugi dio je. Kao što vidimo, mogućnosti su options, ispis, print, hide, sakri, sadržaj, indeks traži, contents, index search. As you can see, some items in the help are translated and some are not. The text is in English in the Croat version of the help, but some menu items are translated. This is all for today. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.